What's the meaning of Angolan? Angolan. 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 Angolan.
Angolan refers to something or someone related to the country of Angola, located in southwestern Africa. It can be used to describe a person, language, culture, or anything else that originates from or is associated with Angola. The country has a diverse population with a rich history and culture, and is known for its music, cuisine, and natural resources such as diamonds and oil. Despite facing challenges such as poverty and political instability, Angola has seen some economic and social progress in recent years.